See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Shebi una know say they don't inject cherry. Normal cherry when they shop, they don't inject them. Cherry when they shop for mat, they don't inject them. Shebi una know. They don't inject them so that you go the sweet. You buy, you shop. You understand? You shop, so that you go the sweet. You go still go there, you go buy another one. They forget the negative impact when this thing go beef, when it go cost for person body. Then they forget the negative damage, the damages when this thing go cost for person body. Every day we they complain of kidney problem, kidney disease. We they complain of liver problem. Small people they born yesterday, whenever even reach how many years go they sick. Kidney disease, heart disease, liver disease. Now all this nonsense when they give us a shock for this country. Then when they complain, they talk about government. Now you're small, now government do for inside. Small, now government do for inside, Baba. Human beings, our heart, it's too strong. Not be only sherry, go reach apple, watermelon, pineapple, any fruit. They don't inject and now they I know I sometimes I will just sit down, make I think what to be Nigerians problem. It go hard. If you feel understand Nigeria, and I be say you yourself don't craze. You can never understand Nigeria. If you understand Nigeria, you don't craze, bro. They inject cherry now, cherry, just to make cherry sweet. They inject cherry, bro. They inject cherry. God when he create cherry, you know what they do. God when he create like that, you know what they do. You understand? God when he create like that, you know what they do. But now they inject them to make them sweet, to give another flavor, to give another taste. Meanwhile, we go they buy everything. We'll say, okay, we want to see buy fruits. We go run for drinks. We go run for water. We go run for juice. Ordinary fruit when we will still use our hand, buy. Say, okay, mostly they take fruit to the flush our system. They go see they spoil them. What do you want to make with the shop? What do you want to make with the shop? Nothing. Wanna know the spoil. Nothing wanna know the inject. So they inject banana to make them ripe. So go carry acid, use acid, beans. They use acid. I don't know what they put for inside beans. Today they'll say they want use that. May you not call it spoil, may warm no enter. Nothing they do. I don't just understand. We don't work by everybody finish. Huh? Ordinary watermelon when you supposed to live maybe by himself ripe. No, they go put on press something, put for inside. They give people, make people shop. I don't just know what they happen for this country. I beg anywhere you day. Just get on for me. Say all these fruit are not safe. Oh, you test fruit, it is sweet like sugar. I beg, run for your life. I know what I'm saying. Run for your dear life. Nigerians saying only God will save us. So painful.